guys, welcome back. We in full swing. We back in Florida. We out of Atlanta. You know, shit happened in Atlanta, but it is what it is. Y'all seen the video. We randomly gonna run to the compound real quick because we got some new friends from way over the seas somewhere. You guys will meet them here in a little bit. We headed to the compound and we only got like an hour and a half of daylight. Let's go. Monster baby, let's go. Chase ain't ever really been to the compound, but about to bless the compound with this graciousness of this chaser. Guys, pull out your iPhones. Let's go. Alright, 2 laps in the chaser. First time at the compound, feels really good. That FDF setup, I forgot how good it felt because I haven't been drifting it. It just links everything so smooth. We'll put the in-car video in there. It's just so smooth. That FDF kit. Now I want to drift the chaser more, which is not really a good idea, but hey man, it's a drift car, you know, we don't got that much money in it because, you know, we bought it crashed and stuff, you guys remember, but damn, it's a good daily, it's a good drift car. We just gotta get rid of Jay-Z. That water. Alright, cool. So part of this random trip to the compound in the middle of the week is Jake is here from the UK. He just bought this Corvette from, if you guys realize, this is Bryce's old car. He's gonna be taking it to Hyperfest, so he had to come out here and test it out. And his buddy might have some interest in the gold car, so the gold car might be going, guys. You got anything? Come.
No, just come out from England for a party, have a bit of fun, and driving Hyperfest. So thought, what better car than a Corvette? But obviously need to learn how to drive left-hand drive as well. So what better to come here and have a little skid?
A Corvette. He's an RB guy though, but he
wants
a Corvette.
This might drive me to the other end of the country without me having to touch it. Maybe, probably not.
You just literal me.
Nah, I'm an RB guy as well, to be fair.
Literally me, that's crazy.
Nah, I'm an RB guy as well.
Alright.
I did like 4,500 mile trip around Europe in my RB last year. So
he's not being informative. He drives an S15 with a built 25, makes like 600-700 horsepower. He beats the hell out of it. It's on Meisters. Go check out his channel.
Yeah, go check out the channel. It's JC365.
We're gonna do some driving.
I would imagine it like a Tesla.
Jake make me broke my taster. Look guys, look. I broke the fan start just doing burnout scouts showing off because he's all the way from the UK and we got to make sure he has a good ass time. So I hope you're having a good ass time.
It's a brilliant time, yeah, man.
Right, with street drifting and stuff. Don't do that. Don't do that,
Don't
kids.
do that. It's naughty, kids.
Don't do that. Okay. All right, so it was a good time. We had a really fun time. I hope Jake enjoyed his new car.
Loved it.
He's gonna drive all the way to Hyperfest in the Corvette. He's a little bit crazy, which is actually good because that's how I was. So
I got
back
no
in
choice,
shop.
have I? I'm here, I got no truck, I got no trailer, we just got a Corvette, so fuck
He's
it.
just
we
living it
drive
like
there.
this. He's living like that. However you do it. You're living just like on the wild side. You don't do that in the UK.
No, I've got a truck, and I've got an American truck and trailer in the UK.
It's crazy, but he comes to America and want to drive the car all the way to the drift event. 9 hours away. He's going to Hyperfest. I hope you have a good time. It was
Yeah, I
nice
can't
meeting
wait.
you. Can't wait to see you.
Good,
Hopefully
man.
someday we could go to UK, hang out with him and drift.
Yeah, for sure.
I really
For
want
sure.
to see
It was
that
good.
S15
Tonight
that
was
you got.
good. It was good fun. Fun following you. Cheers for showing us around.
All right.
Yeah, can't wait to drive more.
All right. See you.